introduce yourself, Rahul, to everyone.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am Rahul Nath. I am basically from Kerala and working in Mumbai, in one of the multinational companies which is very much famous, Accenture Solutions Private Limited.
Accenture,
And
yes. Okay.
yes, sir. And it is a great pleasure to be a part of your community, like as a diamond membership I have
Thank you.
taken. Is nearly 8 months back I have joined, and it was really a life changing for me, sir. Really, the
Great.
thing kind of the guidance and inspiration you give, it is I can say it is not available in any part of this region, or especially in India, not in India and other countries also. I
Everything
can
is
say
coming from there, ना सब छोटे छोटे channel है बस. So
right,
Rahul,
right,
just
sir.
हाँ, that was your experience. Thank you for your great experience जो आपको हुआ इस community में Diamond. Let everyone know आपने अभी recently कुछ manifest, आपने पहले भी चीजें manifest करी है, अभी आपने recently क्या manifest किया है, share with everyone.
Sir, actually,
हाँ.
as you usually say, that surrender to the system. Said the really I have followed that techniques you have mentioned, and the guidance you are always giving now, the support which is given, and following that, I'm working as a one of the top tier management system. So recently I have achieved the Encore Award for the Star Business Performer in my
Wow.
particular corporate company, which is the client value addition, means the kind of contribution which I have given to the company. On that basis, the client has given me appreciation, and really, which is
What is the
really
name of that award?
Encore Award, sir.
Encore Award. So Rahul, that's amazing.
Yearly award, which is given by the company for the best performance, and I really thankful for you, sir. Without your support and guidance, I could not have achieved that.
No,
Really,
no, it's we are just a channel, but I love
right.
that कि आपने उसको achieve किया और you are aiming for that from a quite a long time ना. आपको अपनी job के
Right.
अंदर चीजें stress था और वो
Yes,
mental
yes.
stability नहीं थी. Now you are feeling more stable.
Really, really, sir. It is really improved my energy level. Your kind of techniques and support, no, the kind of system you provide. I really following that, and the routines and habits really changed, and it is helped me to improve my energy level, and the kind of what we say, the exact kind of spiritual growth also I achieved, and
Great, great to
moreover
know that.
that I started taking more actions, and discipline is also like more clarity in life, sir.
Wow.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so much.
Accenture जैसी कंपनी में आपको इतना अच्छा अवार्ड मिला एंड वी विश कि ऐसे बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिले एंड लॉट ऑफ अबंडेंस एंड फुलफिलमेंट इन एवरी एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ. लॉट ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स फॉर यू, राहुल.
Thank you so much. Thank you
सो
so much.
ओवरऑल आपका इस कम्युनिटी में यू जॉइन डायमंड ऑल्सो, तो आपका ओवरऑल डायमंड में क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? आर यू लविंग इट?
Really, sir, it is really life changing, and kind of experience, and
थैंक यू.
the guidance you give. It is really, it is amazing, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Awesome.
थैंक यू सो मच. एक चीज और अभी जाते जाते राहुल आपसे, आप फिजिकल इवेंट जो हुआ था हमारा अजमेर में, MSR जो हुआ था लास्ट, उसमें आए थे, तो वहां पर आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस था राहुल? कैन यू शेयर विद एवरीवन स्पेसिफिकली?
Right, right. It is, sir, the kind of sessions we usually attend, that daily, means that the kind of weekly sessions which is attending that Zoom meeting, that is kind of different, but the kind of 2 day sessions you have arranged, that is, I can say, even if people haven't attended any other sessions, like Zoom meetings and all, but if that person comes into that 2 day session, that will transform the person right away. It
Yeah.
was amazing,
Thank you.
and the kind of energy level you are having, and you are really influencing people's minds. It's like you are able to connect with people, and you are able to take them the whatever the things which is not required in that, means the person's mind, no, that you are taking it, and
Everything is coming from divine, like we are just a
right,
channel.
it's
Yes.
amazing.
Thank you so much, Rahul. I'm changing you.